Okay, welcome to another session in this series. So in this question, we're starting from in this session, we're starting from question 19. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. It says in a class of 36 students, every student offers either chemistry or physics. If 18 offer chemistry and 22 offer physics, how many offer physics only? So let's try to draw the Venn diagram. So let's draw a simple Venn diagram. So we have chemistry and we have physics. So let's put chemistry. How many students read chemistry? It says 28 students read chemistry, so we put 28 right here. And then physics, how many students read physics? We have 22 students, so let's put 22 right here. So in the intersection, which is in the middle right here, you have to put a variable because we don't know that. So let's put x over here. So what that means is chemistry only will be 28 minus x, and then physics only will be 22 minus x, right? Now the question says how many offer physics only? So we need to find this section right here, this portion. This is what we need to find. So now first we need to find the value of x. So what do? What we do is we can equate this whole bracket, or we can add everything in this box to get what? 36 students, because the box is 36 students, right? Okay, so let's go. So what that means is chemistry, which is chemistry plus physics only, should give us 36. Or another way to do it is physics plus chemistry only should give us 36. Or what you can do is you can just add this, add this, add this to give us 36. But then let's go with chemistry plus physics only equals 36. Let's go with that. So we're going to have 28 minus x. Sorry. You have 28 plus 22 minus x is equal to 36, right? So let's try to find x. What will x be? So 28 plus 22, what do you have? 40. So we are going to have negative x is equal to 36 minus 40. So x will give us negative 4, thereby giving us x to be 4. So now since we need to find x, physics only, we just need to substitute the value of x into here to get physics only. So that will be physics only will be equal to 22 minus x, and x is known as what? 4. Okay, so that will give us 18. So physics only is 18 students, right? Let's move on to question number 20. Okay, the question says the shaded portion of the diagram represents which expression? So which of the expressions represent the Venn diagram? So let's start as we normally do from A. So A says K intersection L. This is K, this is L. So the intersection of those two will be what? KL will be right here, right? This what is K intersection L. Now let's move on. It says union M. So that means that's this section union everything in M. Right? So all this will also be shaded. Okay, I think that's it. So that is A. So our answer is A, because K intersection L is what gives us this middle right here, and then union M, which is right here, thing over here. So that works, right? It works. That is our answer. Okay, let's move on to the next set of questions. Okay, it says the set P equals the set 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and Q is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8. They, P and Q, are subsets of the universal set 1, 2, 3 up to 10, right? So we need to use this information to answer questions 22 and 23. 22 and 23. So let's write down the universal set completely. Let's do that. So the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. That is the universal set. And then you have okay, let's just leave it as that. Let's now go to the question. The question says find P complement. P complement is every element that is in the universal set that cannot be found in P. So let's start. We have so let's write that down. So we have P complement is equal to the set, right? Okay, let's go and check. We have 1 in the universal set. We have 1 here, so that cannot enter into it. We have 2. We have 2 that can also enter. So we have 3 here, but then we don't have 3 in P. So 3 goes here, right? 3 goes in the set 3. Okay, let's continue. So we have 4 here. We have 4 here, so that cannot enter. We have 5 here. We have 5 here, also cannot enter. We have 6 here, but we don't have 6 in P, right? So we have to write 6 here, right? So 6. Let's continue. So we have 7 here. Do we have 7 here? Okay, yes, we have 7 here, so that cannot enter. We have 8 here. We don't have 8 here. Okay, it will have to come here, right? Also, we have 9 here. We don't have 9 here, so 9 will have to come here. We have 10 here. We don't have 10 here, so 10 will have to come here. So let's write that down. So we have 8, 9, 10. So this is our P complement. P complement. So let's see, where do we have it? That will be 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. That is C. That is C. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next question says find P complement intersection Q complement. Okay, so we already have P complement here, so what we need to do is to find what? Q complement. So let's do that. Q complement. Let's open the bracket for Q complement and then we find it. So we need to do the same thing we did for P complement, right? So we look at the universal set and then we check if the set that the elements that are not in the universal set, that the element that are in the universal set that cannot be found in Q, that will be called Q complement. So let's start. So we have 1 here. We don't have 1 here, so 1 will go here, right? So we have 1. Let's continue. We have 2 here, 2 not here, so 2 will go here, right? 2 will go here. So let's write 2. Then we have 3 here, 3 here, so we can't add that. 4 here, 4 here, we can't add that. 5 here, 5 not here, so 5 goes here. So let's put 5. Let's continue. We have 6 here, 6 not here, so 6 would go here, right? So we have 6. Then we have 7 here, 7 here, so 7 cannot enter. We have 8 here, 8 here, 8 cannot enter. So we have 9 here, 9 not here. Okay, we have 10 here, 10 not here. So 9 and 10 goes right here. Okay, so let's put that down. 9, 10. So that is the end of our Q complement. Now the question says P complement intersection Q complement. So what that means is elements that are common to P complement and Q complement, P complement and Q complement. So let's find that. Do we have 1 here? 1 here? No, we don't have 1. Do we have 2 here? We don't have 2 here. We have 5 here. We don't have 5 here. We have 6 here and we have 6 here. Okay, so that's will enter into the set. So P complement intersection Q complement. The first element will be what? 6, because 6 is common to them. So you need to put 6 here, right? So let's put it down. 6. Let's continue. We have 9 here. We have 9 here. Okay, so 9 goes here too, right? So let's put 9 down. Let's continue. We have 10 here. We have 10 here. So let's put 10 down. So this is our set. Do Do we have it here? We have it here. So the answer is C. The answer is C. Okay. Now let's move on to the next set of questions.